Welcome back to my channel, and as y'all read by the title, today we are doing a silk press. And guys, I've been loving my hair like this. My silk press take maybe 45 minutes to an hour, if that. So easy, super simple, super chic. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. All right, so I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I use these two products. I already applied these in my hair. Hair is all dry now. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature's Heat Protectant. I've been using this product for maybe about 2 years now, and my hair loves this stuff. Like, it's a heat protectant and a moisturizer in one, so you don't have to use hella products on your hair. That's what I like about it. Just do a little bit more. And I like to do this with my hands, like just rub it in like lotion, because when you put your hands through your hair, the top of your hands is dry, so your hair is rubbing on dry skin. So I like to just put it all over my hands. When I run it through my fingers, each strand is getting a little oil on it. Okay, so the silk press is done. If y'all watched my last video, y'all know why I cut my hair. I have so much breakage, definitely in the front. So I'm about to add some clip-ins to finish off the style, and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. What do y'all think? As y'all see, I did add my clip-ins to the front. You can kind of still see a little bit of breakage, but I did add my clip-ins to just make it look more even. I'm probably gonna have to do this for like the next 6 months until the front catches up with the bottom. But other than that, I love it. It's super flowy, super bouncy, super healthy. That is it for this video. If y'all want to see any other videos, please let me know in the comment section below. I did want to do a hair journey, just going over what my hair has been through these past 8 years. So if y'all want to see that, like this video. Also turn on my post notifications so y'all know when I upload. That is it for this silk press video, and I will see y'all next time.